Oh hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reacting to funny videos with my younger brother. Funny. I like to laugh, and I hope you guys will laugh along with us. Yeah.
Clarissa Vigil got into her car at her Anaheim apartment complex around 11:30 Saturday night. She never saw this coming.
And then all of a sudden, on the rearview mirror of my vehicle, I see this naked guy just running towards my neighbor.
You failed to prove it the first time around. What do you have up your sleeve to be more successful this time around?
Already said I will not be making any comment.
Oh my God, that hurt.
Hi, this is Chuck Storm. I'm live at the scene where last night there was a robbery at about 3:30 in the morning. Now, police have...
Nong Russia Woo!
Oh, moslim.
Combineren met lodzware triathlonsrol van de doodzaak weer proberen. En dan lodzware triathlonsrol van de doodzaak weer proberen.
Say that again, Mom.
Baking powder. Why are you laughing, you nasty one? Just because this small mistake I make? Go to the mirror and check the big mistake that I made.
Mama!
Miss Canada. Ang pipakla yan ti. Okay, never mind.
Small or big? Think about it. Think about it.
The big one's wrapped
small
inside the
or
small
big.
one.
Ready?
So the small one's definitely.
It's a tie.
Misalkan deh, biar menjawab này, mình mày các bạn này, mình mày rệt này, apa yang dong? It's a tie, dia kejut mana? Ketika dengar tie, kemudian dia tie aja. He's not impressed, man. Okay, the giraffe picks up.
But it is going to bother you because you're human, and I was human. I am human still.
Try and do this sometimes, you know. Imagine, okay, you want to see videos, cuts, videos, and all. We will react to that. Okay. What?